In this project, students will dive into the world of computer hardware by assembling, testing, and troubleshooting a computer system. This project allows students to complete the tasks physically or create screenshots of the tasks to assemble the computer. This hands-on experience will enhance their understanding of system compatibility and hardware components. The first step is assembling the computer. Students will select compatible parts using tools like PC Part Picker. They will carefully install components such as the motherboard, processor, and memory. This stage requires precision and attention to detail to ensure everything fits and functions properly. Once assembled, it's time to test the system. Students will power on the computer and check for successful boot up. Using software like Libre Hardware Monitor, they will verify that all components are recognized and functioning correctly, ensuring optimal performance. If issues arise, troubleshooting is essential. Students will learn to identify common hardware problems, such as loose connections or incompatible components. They'll apply problem-solving skills to resolve these issues, using a methodical approach to debugging and ensuring system stability. Throughout the project, students will document their process using Google Docs and Google Sheets. This includes recording assembly steps, testing results, and troubleshooting efforts. Clear documentation is crucial for effective project management and technical writing. By completing this project, students gain valuable skills in computer hardware assembly, problem-solving, and communication. Whether through hands-on or virtual experience, they develop a comprehensive understanding of building and maintaining a computer system. If you have questions about his project, contact support to chat with a project manager.